So hello, welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video is mag-static routing naman tayo dito pa rin sa ating Cisco Packet Tracer. So, static routing is a network routing method where routes are manually configured and do not automatically update. It is a simpler approach where network administrators explicitly define the path data packets take to reach their destination. Di katulad ng dynamic routing na which uses algorithms to automatically adjust paths. Static routing requires manual updates when network changes occur. So, maglagay lang tayo dito ng dalawang router. Simplihan lang muna natin itong static routing natin bago tayo pumunta sa komplikado. Bago nyo makuha yung concept is okay na tayo sa tutorial. Ma-apply nyo na yun sa mas mahirap na challenges. So, dito is magko-connect tayo ng copper straight through, and tandaan nyo yung mga pinipili nyo ditong route, which is the gigabit Ethernet 00/0. Connect natin yan sa fast Ethernet 0. Then, isa pa ulit, copper straight through, gigabit ulit, 000. Then, fast Ethernet. Then, pag-connect tayo natin ito lang router, which gigabit Ethernet 001. Then, yan, dun ulit. So, static routing describes a process by which routing is configured with fixed values that do not change at runtime unless manually edited. So, tayo yung mismo magko-configure with fixed values at hindi siya basta-basta naiiba sa runtime unless in-edit ulit natin manually. Static routes are used with and without dynamic routing protocols and usually share the same routing table as those protocols. So, simulan na natin mag-configure. Simulan natin sa configuration ng ating router 0. Punta tayong CLI and enable lang natin to. Then, enable tayo. Enable. Okay. Pagka-enable natin is mag-enter tayo sa global configuration mode. So, configure terminal lang. Configure terminal. Enter. Then, magsaselect na tayo ng ating gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 interface for configuration. So, ito yung nagko-connect sa ating router 0 to PC0, forming the LAN for the 10.34.0.0/24. Yun ang inassign sa aking IP address ng prop namin, and yun natin gagamitin para sa tutorial na to. So, interface tayo. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. Then, enter natin. So, nandito tayo sa config if. Mag-a-assign naman tayo ng IP address sa atin 10.34.0.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, which is /24 yon. Para it makes the router the gateway for that 10.34 network, which includes PC0. So, gawin natin, assign tayo ng IP address 10.34.0.1. Tapos yung subnet mask na 255.255.255.0. Okay. Enter na natin to. Then, tsaka tayo no shutdown. Ayan. By default, kasi yung Cisco router natin interface is administratively disabled, which is shutdown. This command activates the interface, allowing it to send and receive network traffic. So, enter natin. Config ulit tayo. Exit tayo dito. Para maka-exit tayo sa interface, configuration mode. Then, magsaselect tayo ng gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1 interface which connect router 0 to router 1. So, router 0 to router 1 naman yung pagkukonikin natin. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1. then enter, then add ulit tayo ng IP address. IP address. Then the 34.1.1 255.255.255.252. Then no shutdown ulit tayo. Tsaka tayo mag-exit. Then ngayon magko-configure na tayo ng static route on router 0. This tells router 0 that to reach that 10.35.0.0/24 network o yung router 1's LAN where PC1 resides, it should forward packets to the next hop. This static route enables router 0 to send traffic destined to PC1 network to router 1. IP route ulit tayo. 10.35.0.0 space the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 space 10.34.1.2 then enter. Okay, nalagay na natin. So, tapos na tayo dito sa ating router 0 configuration. Lipat naman tayo dito sa ating router 1 configuration. CLI ulit. Pasok tayo dito, mag-note tayo para ma-enter natin. Okay, router 1 configuration, ganun lang, enable. EN for enable for short. Then config T, configure terminal, shortcut lang ulit. Then select ko dito ng gigabit ethernet, yung 000 interface which connects router 1 to PC1. Interface gigabit ethernet 0/0/0, then enter tayo. And mag-a-assign na tayo ng ating IP address and the subnet mask. IP address 10.35.0.1 255.255.255.0 enter, no shutdown, exit tayo, alam niyo na yan, katulad nung sa kabila. Then interface gigabit ethernet 0 para maselect naman natin yung gigabit ethernet 0/0/1 interface which connects router 1 to router 0. So interface gigabit ethernet 0/0/1. Then mag-enter tayo. Then mag-a-assign ulit tayo ng IP address. IP address yan 10.34.1.2 space 255.255.255.252. Okay yan. Then pagka-assign natin is enter, no shutdown lang ulit. Okay, then exit. Then yung huling step is mag-IP route tayo. Configure static route on router 1. This instruct router 1 to forward packets destined for the 10.34.00/24 network. IP route. 10.34.0.0 space the subnet mask which is 255.255.255.0 space ang ating network which is the 10.34.1.1. Okay, try natin i-enter. Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating router 1 configuration. Lipat naman tayo sa ating PC, IP configuration. Which is we have two PC, the PC0 and PC1. Punta tayo ng desktop, IP configuration, then yan. Sa ating PC0 is bigyan natin siya ng IP na 10.34.0.2 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay. Ating gateway, default gateway, which is the 10.34.0.1. Okay. Para maset natin yung router 0 gigabit Ethernet as the default gateway, PC0 sends all the non-local traffic to this IP, which router 0 routes using its static route. So, dito nagagaling ating static route. Ganun din, gawin natin sa PC1 with a iba naman na IP. Gamitin IP is 10.35.0.2. Then, ang ating subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And ating default gateway is the 10.35.0.1. Okay. I-X na natin pagtapos ito. Tapos tayo sa ating mga configuration. And now, for the testing static routing is kailangan natin pumunta sa ating command prompt ang ating PC0. PC0 and ping natin ping the 10.35.0.2. So, nagagawa nito is this command sends ICMP echo request packets to PC1 IP address to test connectivity between the two networks. If the interface and the traffic routes are correctly configured, packets from PC0 will travel through router 0 across the link to router 1 and reach PC1 successfully. Ping reply from 10.35.0.2. Confirm that static routing is working. Enter natin. And kailangan natin mag-antay ng reply. So, pagka may nakita tayong reply, which is yon, nakita natin tong reply. Ibig sabihin is, nagana ng ating static routing. So, tapos na ang tutorial na to, but bago natin i-end tong tutorial na to is, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung saan natin magagamit yung static router in much complicated way. And papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-check kung paano siya nagana. So, ito yung ating static routing activity sa packet tracer dito sa ComNet 2. And ito yung pinagawa ng prof namin dati. And para ma-check if nagana is yan, kada isang switch is may 5 PC and switch is connected to a router. And lahat sila connect sila dyan and na-configure namin lahat dyan. So, try natin. Yung PC5, yan. Napakalayo na pagdadaanan niya. Try natin kung gagana. Ayan, successful siya. And lahat yan ng PC niyan, kahit saan ka mag-send ng messages, gagana siya. And that's how static routing works. Parang binigyan natin sila ng dadaanan yan. And lahat sila nakapag-usap sa isa't isa. And that is the concept of ating static routing. So, sana may tutunan ka sa video na to and see you later sa sunod na tutorial. Bye!